Ang daming bagong store sa SM Center Pulilan at may maganda din silang sinehan na perfect for movie marathon ng MMFF. Tara, yung mga kanusam niyo bang nalaman ko? Andito tayo ngayon sa SM Pulilan to check out kung ano ang mga bago dito. For HS Tex, meron silang coffee table na 2,500, 2K na lang, Ottoman na buy one take one at marami pang iba. For Bagel Girl, meron ditong hair essentials and accessories sa perfect for girls and ear piercing things. Still kung damit ang hanap nyo, madami pa rin kayong pagpipilian dito na stalls. At Sports Central for your new shoes na up to 70% off. White House para sa New Year, new phone na deserve mo. Kung gusto nyo mag-relax, go here at Watfo for their massage service for as low as 499 pesos. Habang nagpapamassage ka, kung may kasama kang kids, pwede sila mag-play sa baby play na as low as 170 pesos for 30 minutes na. Pag nagutom kayo kaka-shopping, try Easy Cafe for their pastries and drinks like this blueberry cheesecake na natry namin na masarap. Brew Express for their holiday party trays na perfect for this holiday season, or try their bestsellers like nachos and ribs, donuts from Matt's Donuts, and Greenwich with their pizza and pasta. At tuwing nadaanan ko din dito yung AGSA Driving School kung saan pwede kayo mag-enroll ng driving, and LTO na located naman sa terminal kung gusto mo na magparehistro. And last is mag-movie marathon sa cinema nila ng latest MMF movies. O ano pa hinihintay nyo? This is their operating hours kung pupunta kayo. And follow their social media pages para maging updated kayo sa mga announcements and events nila. O ano pa hinihintay nyo? Tara na dito sa SM Center Pulilan. Let's go!